Hello friends, I am Tushar. Welcome to my channel. I am here to help you in your studies and amplify your opportunities in the education. SPPU is conducting online and offline examination for BE students of academic year 2019-20. The examination will be of 50 marks. The questions will be of multiple choice type and each question will be of 1 mark. The student can attempt maximum 60 questions. This MCQ practice test series of subject Advanced Manufacturing Processes is prepared in collaboration with Professor P.S. Talmale by Tushar Badgujar Online to support students for their final year examination. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so when I upload a new video in this series, you will get notified. In this video, we are discussing Unit 2 of 2015 syllabus pattern. In case of laser welding, heat input is dash dash to fuse the weld metal equal to the required amount close to the minimum required greater than 200 joule than the required, approximately higher by at least 320 joule. So here we have to guess how much extra energy we provide for the laser welding. And the answer for this question B, close to minimum required. In laser beam welding, the atoms of dash dash absorb the energy and electron of those atoms get excited. Ruby crystal, quartz crystal, Swiss quartz crystal, diamond crystal. Guess the answer for this. And the answer is A, ruby crystal. Tool in ultrasonic machining is generally made from which of the following materials? Glass, ceramic, carbides, steel. And the answer is D, steel. In ultrasonic machining, the abrasive particles acts as the chip carrier, intenders, finishing particles, thickening agent for the slurry. The answer is B, intenders. During ultrasonic machining, cracks are produced due to Van Mises stresses, Hertzian stresses, principal stresses, episodic acute stresses. So in this case, we have to guess the stresses which are causing or propagating the cracks. And the answer is B, Hertzian stresses. Increasing volume concentration of abrasive in slurry would affect material removal rate in which of the following manner? Increase material removal rate, decrease material removal rate, would not change MRR, initially increase and then decrease MRR. So we have to guess here the effect of concentration of abrasive slurry on the material removal rate. And the answer is A. Increase material removal rate. Which of the following material is not machined by ultrasonic machining? Glass, ceramics, ductile materials. So in case of ultrasonic machining, we cannot machine the ductile materials. So the answer for this question is D. Ductile materials. The development of ultrasonic machining was started in 1920, 1927, 1947, 1980. So here we have to guess the development year of ultrasonic machining. Ultrasonic machining is very recent development. So the answer for this is D. 1980. Which of the following is not a part of the ultrasonic machine used? Generator, acoustic head, slurry pump, lead screw. So the answer for this is D. Lead screw. Lead screw is not the part of general arrangement of ultrasonic machining. The tool is joined to the trunk by riveted joint, welded joint, brazing, honing. So all these are the joining processes. So here we have to guess which joining process is used to join the tool to the trunk. And the answer for this is C. Brazing. Which of these or is not the thermal spray coating process? Wireframe spray, electric arc wire spray, plasma spray, carbide coat spray. So all these are spray processes, but out of this, which is not the thermal spray coating process, we have to identify that. And the answer for this is D. Carbide coat spray. In plasma spray coating, the temperature of plasma is as much as dash degrees Celsius. So plasma have very high temperature. So options are 12,000 degrees Celsius, 14,000 degrees Celsius, 10,000 degrees Celsius and 16,000 degrees Celsius. And the answer for this is D. 16,000 degrees Celsius. The process utilizes a combination of oxygen with various fuel gases like hydrogen, propane, propylene, plasma spray, electric arc wire spray, plasma spray, high velocity oxy-fuel spray. So out of this, the answer is D. High velocity oxy-fuel spray. So these are the materials, and we have to identify that these materials are used in electric welding, high velocity oxy-fuel spray, explosive welding, none of these. And the answer for this is C. Explosive welding. In cryogenic welding, the cryogenic phenomena include the material processing under dash dash degrees Celsius temperature. So cryogenic is low temperature process, and options are minus 500 degrees Celsius, minus 50 degrees Celsius, minus 150 degrees Celsius, minus 300 degrees Celsius. And the answer for this is minus 150 degree Celsius. The following diagram show process. We have to identify that particular process. The options are ultrasonic welding, electric arc wire spray, plasma spray, high velocity oxy-fuel spray. From the arrangement, we have to identify that. And in this case, the answer is A, ultrasonic machining. So this arrangement is of ultrasonic machining. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts, then leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will get the notification.